This is the WordPress application. This application is free and was just released tonight, about 2 or 3 hours ago. Now when you first open up this application, you need to go and add a blog. You'll go ahead and put the domain and the username and password. Now this works with hosted WordPress.com accounts as well as your own personal account on a domain name of your own. So once you put in the domain, username, and password, click Save. It will connect to your blog, and then it will register. When you first attempt to connect, you will probably get a XML RPC error. Now to fix this, you just go into your admin control panel of WordPress, click on Settings, and then click Writing. Then you will see a XML-RPC section. Just check that box, scroll down, click Save Changes, and then come back here and click Save. Now once you save, you can log into your blog. Whenever you set the settings, you can set how many posts you want it to list right here. This shows it in a RSS type feed. Now when you go into a post, you are going to edit that post. So you can change the title, you can change the tag, you can go in and change the category, change the status, whether you want it to be a draft, a private, and then you can change the actual code. You can also see the photos that have been attached in the photo gallery of that. You can look at a preview, and then you can change the settings. You can set it on as a future date. You can change a previous set date, and you can also put a password on post right from your iPhone or iPod Touch. We have a refresh button down here. We have a local drafts folder, which will list all of the local saved drafts that haven't been published yet. And then we have a blogs button that will take us, of course, back to our blog. Now, at the bottom right, we have a new post button. So here we can put in a title, we can put in tags, two tags are separated by commas, just like it says. You can set it a category, as many categories as you need. You can also add new categories and even give it a parent. So very cool. We have the status, so we can have it as a local draft or published. And then we tap to the body, and then we can start those. Once you click Save right here, it will of course save it as a local draft, since that's how I have it. So when I go into this, I can change this to published, and then click Save, and it will be published directly to your blog. Now I'd like to see some features like writing pages, editing pages, and maybe even managing plugins. You don't have to specifically control the plugins right now. That would be, I imagine that would take a while to write, but at least giving you a panel maybe to disable and enable plugins. I can see that being pretty cool.